Fix in 5. P0247. P0247 means your turbocharger's wastegate solenoid, bank 2, isn't receive. High severity. Here's what it means, what causes it, and how it's fixed. Pull over and deal with this. The light isn't bluffing. First, the symptoms. Check engine light CL. Illuminated, verify with OBD2 scanner, freeze frame data, reduce turbocharger boost pressure, verify with boost gauge or live PID scan, decreased engine power and acceleration, verify with test drive. Full throttle response, rough idle or hesitation during acceleration, verify with test drive. Now the most likely causes. Faulty wastegate solenoid valve, bank 2, solenoid coil short or open circuit. Resistance outside 4 to 12 ohms range. Solenoid connector corrosion or poor electrical contact, green/white oxidation on pins. Intermittent signal loss. Broken or disconnected solenoid control circuit wiring, continuity loss. How to fix it? Replace wastegate solenoid assembly with OEM or equivalent part. Repair or replace damaged vacuum lines connected to wastegate control. Clean boost control sensor connectors and apply dielectric grease. Verify ECM wiring continuity and repair any open or short circuits. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. What does it cost? Roughly 45 to 220 euros doing it yourself, or 165 to 340 euros at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. People also ask, can I fix P0247 myself, DIY? Some repairs associated with P0247 are DIY friendly if you have basic mechanical skills and the right tools. However, professional diagnosis is recommended to confirm the root cause before purchasing. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0247. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas. Links below. Subscribe. New fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.